We will be looking at Chapter 2, Section 1, Problem number 8. In this particular problem, what we are going to look at is solving this equation. We have here a rational equation. It involves fractions. So we have 4 times the quantity y minus 2, all divided by 5, minus y is equal to 6 minus y over 3. What we want to do is we want to eliminate our fractions by multiplying each of the individual terms by the least common denominator, which in this case is going to be 5 times 3, which is 15. What I need to do is I need to get my pointer set up here, and so I'm going to be doing that for just a second, and the ink color I'll choose blue. And now when we look at shucks, I needed to, okay, I can do this out of here. If I hit enter, here we have the equation as it was, but I have separated out the different terms so that it's clearer to see what we're talking about here. And so the first term is the rational expression 4 times y minus 2 all over 5, etc. What we're going to do then is we're going to multiply each of the terms by the least common denominator, which in this case is 15. So I'm multiplying that term by 15, this term by 15, I multiply the 6 by 15, and finally I'm going to multiply the y over 3 by 15. Now the reason that we do this is because now this 5 will cancel with the 15 to a 3, and over here, if I get to the right side, if I can find out where my cursor disappeared to, I'm going to have this 15 and 3 cancels, and I get a 5 over here. This gives us a new expression, and let's simplify this. 3 times 4 is 12, so I'm going to have 12, and that's times both the y and the negative 2. 12 times negative 2 will give us a minus or a negative 24. We still have the minus 15y is equal to, then we have 15 times 6, which is 90. And over here, since the 3 canceled with the 15, we have a 5y. To simplify this now, I am going to take the 12y and the negative 15y and combine those. And so I'm going to have here negative 24, and this will be minus 3y is equal to 90 minus the 5y. To solve this, we want to get our y terms all on one side, so I'm going to undo or add 5y to both sides. Doing the same thing on this side of the equal sign, we're going to add 5y here. At the same time, let's move our constant terms to the right side, and so I can add 24 to both sides, and then over here adding 24, we're going to get a new equation. So negative 3y and 5y is going to be 2y, and this is going to be equal to 90, and 24 is 114. Our final answer then, if I divide both of these sides by 2, I'm going to end up with simply y over here, and on this side I'm going to end up with our answer, which would be then 57. So this completes this particular problem, and at this point I need to exit. So end the show, and we will pause and stop